Pixel 9 phones, the new ones are here. Of course, you're going to pay more and you might get a little bit less in some instances, but yeah, Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Say all that fast 3 times in conversation. No, I'm not a Cubs fan. I like this hat that I bought when I was in Chicago. So out here in Las Vegas right now, and I wanted to talk about the new phones. Of course, they're available for pre-order now. I've got links in the description if you care about that. Affiliate links will take you straight to the webpage over at Best Buy because, well, Google knew affiliate links. But anyway, so with their phones, new stuff here, new pricing. The Pixel 9, $799, Pixel 9 Pro, $999, Pixel 9 Pro XL, $1099, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, $1799. So not much has changed in that department from last year, but the base model got a price increase. They all have the Tensor G4, and they have the same primary camera, same wide, ultra wide camera on the main phones. The Fold, though, it has a different camera setup. We're going to talk more about that. I'll come back later and kind of go more in detail on these things because I'm out here on an overpass right now. But anyway, so yeah, Pixel 9, you've got 4 colors. You've got the obsidian and porcelain. Those are across all the phones. And then for the Pixel 9, the special colors you've got is peony pink, and you've got a wintergreen color. Those look pretty nice, a little more colorful, stand out, more vibrant. Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL have obsidian and porcelain, and then they have a rose quartz color, and they have a hazel color. And then the Pro 9 Fold, obsidian and porcelain, just like last year. So they didn't do anything crazy that way. But memory upgrades, so the Pixel 9 now has 12 gigs of RAM instead of 8. And then the Pro series, they have 16 gigs of RAM, as well as the Pro Fold has 16 gigs of RAM as well. So new software features, AI, the super big buzzword, but really they only added a couple new features with the camera. If you have a Pro Fold, they have a little camera to try and get your kids' attention so you can take better pictures. They have a new Add Me feature where, like if I were out here on the strip right now and I wanted somebody to help me take a picture, you don't want to hand your phone off to somebody, but you want to add yourself into the photo. You can take a picture, like let's say you and your wife, you and some famous person you see on the strip or whatever, take a picture and then hand the camera off, and it has a little interface open, and then you can go stand over there where you would normally be for the photo, and then it snaps and creates an image as if you were all 3 standing there. You can do it, of course, with more people and things like that. But anyway, yeah, AI, all that great stuff. You can get the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL on the 22nd, and then the Pro Fold will be available on the 4th of September. So it's going to come out a little bit later. And then they did sneak in enhanced zoom. Zoom enhanced. They didn't actually talk about it in the keynote, but if you go and you look at the Pixel 9 page or Pixel 9 Pro page on Google, it talks about zoom enhanced available today, apparently, for the Pixel 8 Pro, not the regular Pixel 8, not the A, and for the Pixel 9 series phones. And then they had different cameras with the Pro Fold, which I'm not crazy about. It has I believe a 10 megapixel selfie, and it has basically the same camera as last year on the back as far as I know. But anyway, yeah, so there's a new selfie with the Pixel 9 Pro, which is nice. I believe it's 42 megapixel, if I remember correctly. But anyway, it's supposed to be nicer, newer on the front of the Pro and the Pro XL, not on the Fold, and then the regular Pixel 9 has last year's selfie camera. So not a whole lot of improvements there. Big things we're talking about, of course, is the big RAM increase and then the price increase. I'm not really crazy about it. There's no freebies. If you buy it through Google, they'll give you $100 toward in-store credit. If you buy the Pixel 9 Pro, I believe that's $200, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL same, and then the Pro 9 Fold, they give you up to $350. So yeah, that's about it. They give you a free year of Gemini Advanced if that's something that you care about. So yay for Gemini Advanced if you care about that. Sorry, I got a pop-up because I'm using my iPhone to record right now, and it's giving me heat warnings already because I've been recording for 4 minutes. 4 minutes out here in the heat, and I'm already getting heat warnings on my phone. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Again, they're available for pre-order now. You can check that out. I will come back here after I go eat some Olive Garden. Not only because I'm fat, but I do like their salad. They've got an Olive Garden down here I like to eat at. So I'm gonna go eat there, and then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do some more in-depth stuff so I can come back and talk to you more about trade-in stuff. Seems the trade-in values across the board are the same though. So whether you get a Pixel 9, you get a Pixel 9 Pro Fold, they're going to give you up to $699 for your Pixel 8 Pro. And for the Pixel 8, I believe it's $470, $460. But I'll come back and talk more about that later. But anyway, so that's all I got. Any questions, comments, complaints, gripes, all that stuff, you know where to go. We'll talk about this later. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.